Okay, let's look at one problem here. This is a problem when you try to do this type of problem when you use view and example. And as you can see, this is a problem where you can use technology. T stands for technology. And whenever you try to see, look at this example, it says, hey, use the technology. So if you don't know how to use the technology, then in this course, we are using TI 8384 calculator. And whenever you have to use technology for any assignment in that section, first of all, go back to your learn section. So what is that? For this is from section 6.1. So go to the section 6.1 learn assignment, which is, if I just preview these assignments, I can see there are different materials, reading for sure, but there are videos for using technology as well. So if you click this link here, it will explain you how to use TI 8384 calculator, to solve the problem given there. So whenever you have technology related problem, I always assign a video assignment here in learn section. So you have to check the learn section. Okay, for this particular problem, if you go, what is that? Okay, assignment 6 point, let me just review here. This is question from assignment 17, 6.1 homework, question number 21. I was talking about this question particularly. So assume that a randomly selected subject is given a bone density test. Those test scores are normally distributed within a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. Draw a graph and find the bone density test score that can be used as a cutoff values, separating the lowest 12% and then highest 12%, indicating levels that are too low or too high respectively. So lowest 12% means, there are different ways to draw normal distribution. Here you have to choose lower 12%, so left side, and then higher 12%, that means the right side. So there is only one option you have given which has both sides. So this is the type of the reason we're talking about. Now the second question is the bone density score R. So this is actually it's talking about G score, and you have to, if you just go to go here, view an example, it will ask you to use technology. Use technology, that means use TI 8384 calculator, which if you don't know how to use, you have to go to the section learn section 6.1 learn 6.1 assignment, and there I have assigned you a video where it will walk you through a step-by-step process. For now, I'm not going to use a calculator, but I'm going to use a G-score table, which I have here. Since we are looking for 12% to the left and 12% to the right, area under the curve 12%. So we're going to use, they are asking us what is the G score for this 12% to the left, which is negative, and then 12% to the right. Okay, so if you do that, if you just use the G score, that means these are the area under the curve and these are the corresponding G score. So because it's a 12% to the left, as you can check, this is the G score table. You need to find out where you have 12%. 12% means 0.12 in this table. As you can see, this is 0.13. We are looking for 0.12. And as you go down, here you see that there is a 0.12100, there is a 0.11900. So this is the closest one we can find for the G score, and this is the area under the curve, which is 12%, which is the closest one we can find in the table. So the corresponding G score for this area, you can find it by using this value, which is negative 1.1, and this one, which is 0.7. So that means it's a value negative 1.17. Okay, negative 1.17. So that is the G score corresponding to the area 12% to the left. Okay, that is negative 1.17. So, and then because the area under the curve to the left and to the right, it's the same area we have. So the g-score would be negative to the left and a positive to the right. So according to that table, we can say that it's negative 1.17 comma positive 1.17. So there are two ways to answer this question using the technology which you can learn by going to learn 6.6.1 section and then preview the assignments. There you're going to find this using TI 8384 finding G-score from a known area. Watch this video and it will tell you how to use your calculator. Okay. And in the exam you are allowed to use this calculator, so using the technology is not a problem during the exam time. Okay, if you still have any further question, then feel free to email me or stop by during my office hour.